It's really about the people. You know, there's this great term in business to get the right people on the bus. The people are so important. You know, it's you know, if you look at REM, I read that in the first 6 hours that these guys got together, they wrote 6 of their biggest hits. And now they're in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. You know, they may not have been the best band in the world, but they had a really good chemistry, you know? You know what it is? It's about challenge and respect. When you have respect, you can challenge, right? When you can challenge when someone challenges you, you have respect for that person. It's kind of interesting. These kind of go really side by side. Challenge is healthy. You know, crisis, you know, challenge is an important thing, and respect is important. You need to empower the people to be able to do that. I want to empower people to challenge me. You know, one of the things I saw Ed Catmull speak at the front end of innovation. He said, the best thing Steve Jobs ever did was he knew what he wanted. He made a decision, but he also knew when there was a better idea, and he would switch gears, you know? And he said, that's what I want people to know about Steve 2.0. And so the interesting thing is you want to empower people to do crazy things. You know, I love Jimi Hendrix, and if you walk around the museum, you'll see his drawings when he was like 8 years old. Look at this. You have to go on and be crazy because craziness is like heaven. You're free. You know, you can do whatever you want because there's no rules. He literally lit his guitar on fire, and he could play guitar pretty well.